Hello students, in this video we will discuss a topic from statistics from the chapter of measurement of center tendency. The chapter is the relationship between the average. As we know, in our previous video we are having the study of arithmetic mean, median and mode. So in this video we will discuss what is the relationship between arithmetic mean, median and mode. Sometimes in examinations we are getting a question where we have given two values from mean, median and mode and asking third one values. Especially in short answer type question we are having such kind of the question. So seeing this video you will learn what is the relationship between arithmetic mean, median and mode, and if two value is given, how can we calculate the third value? The very first we should know what there are two types of the distribution. One is symmetrical distribution and other one is asymmetrical distribution. The symmetrical distribution is such kind of the distribution where the value of arithmetic mean, median and mode is equal. It means it's a bell-shaped distribution. Bell-shaped, it means the frequency firstly increases, going to up to top order, then it decreases. So if we will draw a figure of this, we will get a bell, a figure like a bell which is used in so many temples. So that is called symmetrical distribution. Symmetrical distribution are such kind of distribution are bell-shaped. It means the value of x bar is equal to value of m is equal to z. That is called symmetrical distribution. When the value of x bar and m and z is not equal, so it will call asymmetrical distribution. In this, either x bar will be more than median and median may be more than mode, or x bar may be less than median and median may be less than z. So it is that will be called positive skewness, or if this relation is over there, that is called negative skewness. So in this symmetrical distribution, the value of x bar will be equal to median, median will be equal to z. Already we have discussed this. But in positive, in asymmetrical distribution, here you can say the value of x bar is higher than value of m, and m is higher than z. It means x bar is greater, median is less than x bar, and mode is less than z. But in this negative skewness here, the value of x bar is less, the value of median is higher than x bar, and z is topest. So x bar is less than median and median is less than mode. So this type of the skewness is over there. We will say it's the absence of skewness where x bar and z and m is equal. We will say it's a symmetrical distribution where there is no skewness is over there. But in symmetrical distribution there may be two types of that. There may be positive skewness, there may be negative skewness. If positive skewness is over there, then the value of x bar will be greater than median and the value of median will be greater than mode. If negative skewness is over there, then the value of z will be topest. It means x bar value of mean will be less than median and value of median will be less than mode. Now we will discuss the relationship between the x bar, z and m. So we will have the relationship between mean, median and mode. The relationship is this, that x bar minus z is equal to 3x bar minus m. This is the formula about the relationship between mean, median and mode. Here the mean, this is mode and this is median. So x bar minus z is equal to 3x bar minus 3m. I am solving this. So x bar minus 3x bar plus 3m is equal to z. What we have done? 3x bar coming here negative This was negative, here positive. This negative, here come positive. So 3m minus 2x bar equal to z. This is our first formula. If we are to calculate the value of mode, then for calculating the mode, 3m minus 2x bar formula can be used. This formula can be used. So for for getting that z, 3m minus 2x bar will be the formula. Now z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So 2x bar is equal to 3m minus z. So x bar is equal to 1 by 2 3m minus z. It may be second formula for getting arithmetic mean. This formula can be used for getting the arithmetic value of arithmetic mean. Third one, z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Z plus 2x bar is equal to 3m. So we can write 3m is equal to z plus 2x bar. So m is equal to 1 by 3 z plus 2x bar or 2x bar plus z, whatever. This formula can be used to calculate the value of median. So this is the basic formula. X bar minus arithmetic mean minus mode is equal to 3 arithmetic mean minus median. For calculating the mode, this formula can be used. For calculating x bar, this formula can be used, and for calculating median, we can use this formula 1 by 3 z minus 2x bar. So I am writing here x bar is equal to 1 by 2 3m minus z, and third one formula is m is equal to 1 by 3 2x bar plus z, we can write, or whatever. So these are the three formulas is over there. If two value is given us, we can calculate the third value with the help of. So the basic relationship between all of them is x bar minus z is equal to 3x bar minus m. Okay. Suppose we have given the value of x bar is equal to 20 and value of median is given 18. So we are to calculate the value of z here. Value of mode is to calculate. The two formula we can use. We can calculate with this formula or we can calculate this formula. So I am showing both of them. Z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Z is equal to 3 multiply 18 minus 2 multiply 20. So Z is equal to 72 minus 54 minus 20. So the value of Z is equal to 40. That will be the answer. X bar 3m minus it. It's wrong. We have done a mistake. X bar minus z is equal to 3x bar minus 3m. Okay. So x bar minus 3x bar plus 3m is equal to z. So z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. The formula is right. So 3 multiply m. That means the value of z will be 50. Oh, we have to write it. Okay, this is the 40. So the 14 will be the answer. When value of x bar is given is 20 and value of median is given 18, then value of z will be this. Now if other value is given, similarly, suppose we have given value of mode is given 32.1 and value of x bar is given 35.4 and median is to be calculated. So median is equal to 1 by 3 2x bar plus z. We have to put the values in formula. 2 35.4 2 multiply 35.4 plus 32.1. So 1 by 3 70.8 plus 32.1. 1 by 3 multiply 9 2 102. So this will be 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 3, 34.3. So the value of median will be 34.3. By calculating this, we can having. So what we are to do? We have given two values. We will put two values. The formula is this: 1/3 2x bar plus z. We use this, or we can having the direct also. If the direct is to x bar minus z is equal to 3x bar minus m. This is the formula. We have to calculate the value of m. So we will put the value 35.4 minus 32.1 is equal to 3. 35.4 minus m. Okay. So that will be 3.3 is equal to 106.2 minus 3m. So 3m is equal to 106.2 minus 3.3. So 3m is equal to 9. 5 minus 3, 2, 0, 1. Similarly here 102.9, 102.9. So the m will be 102.9 divided by 3. So the value m is equal to 34.3. So either you can use the direct formula or either you can use the basic formula. The result will get same. So where we can calculate, if two value is given, we can calculate third one value. We are having another one question to having a more practice for that relationship. Suppose we have given x bar is given 15.6 and the median is given 15.73, or we are to calculate the value of mode. So the value of mode z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. So value of mode 3, value 15.73 minus 2 multiply 15.6. So z is equal to 3 3 ja 9, 2 7 4 47.9 31.6. So value of z is equal to 319. Okay. So that is 9. 11 minus 6, that is 5. 7 minus this 6 and 1. 15.99. The answer is z is equal to, we may be having 15.73 is the median value and 2x bar. So first we will multiply 3 3 ja 9, 7 3 ja 21, 2, 5 3 ja 15, 16, 17, 4, 47.19 minus 2, okay, 231.2. So this 0.2 is over there. So okay, z is equal to 15.99. So the value of z will be 15.99. We were having some mistakes in before. So if x bar is given and median is given, we can calculate the value of mode. We can having the direct method, or we can having this simple formula for that. Suppose again we are having value of mode is given 22 and median is given 21.4. We have to calculate value of x bar. We can having this formula: x bar is equal to 1/2 3m minus z. So 1/2 3 multiply 21.4 minus 22. So this will be 2, 3 1 ja 3, 4, 6 minus 22 divided by 2. 44.2 divided by 2 x bar. So the value of x bar is equal to 21.1. That will be the answer. So in this video we have learned, if among three values of arithmetic mean, median and mode, if the two value is given, By the relationship between all of them, we can having, if we are having two value, then we can calculate the third one value. One more question for the arithmetic mean we can calculate. That is, suppose value of Z is given 50 and value of median is given 52. Then x bar minus Z is equal to 3x bar minus M. X bar minus 53. X bar minus 52. X bar minus 50. 3x bar minus 156. So minus 50 plus 156, 3x bar minus x bar. So 2x bar will be 106. So x bar will be 53. So this is the simplest formula. If we are having two values, then we can calculate third one value with helping the relationship between both of them, and the basic relationship is this: x bar minus Z is equal to 3x bar minus M. I think with this help of this video, you may be learned how to calculate the third value when the two value is given. You should go through this video and solve the problem. Thank you.